In this video, I'll show you how to connect an external SSD or just an SSD to your OnePlus Nord CE6. Now, modern SSDs more often than not will come with a Type-C cable, just like this one, and all you need to do is connect this end into your phone, in our case the OnePlus Nord CE6, just like that, and it's going to read the data from that particular SSD, and it's going to launch the My Files app, and any minute now it's going to appear here. So you can tap on the USB drive and you can see, or you can look through all your files, and then you can use your SSD to transfer photos, videos and files from the SSD to the phone and from the phone to the SSD. Now, if you find that this the SSD has not been detected automatically, what you need to do is go into the settings app and then select accessibility and convenience, then scroll all the way down and ensure that OTG connection is turned on. Right now it's grayed out because it's already connected to my SSD, but you can enable or toggle on this option before you connect your external SSD to ensure that you do not have any problems when it comes to moving your data or even reading your data from the SSD. That's basically how to connect an SSD to your OnePlus Nord CE6. Like and subscribe. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.